What new position did I add to my $5,400 Robinhood portfolio? Let's jump into it. Welcome back to the channel, Mike the Investor, helping you invest in yourself by sharing my journey and inspiration. And if this is your first time here to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any more videos. Now, before we dive into my Robinhood portfolio, let's take a look at my portfolio beta risk and my estimated dividends over a 12-month calendar year. And these stats will be coming from the tipranks.com platform that I use. And as you can see, my portfolio risk is 0.64, and on the second box on the left, you can see that's my portfolio, which is really low risk, and that's exactly what I want. I want to be able to receive as many dividends as possible without sacrificing the risk of my portfolio. And then as you can see, the average TipRanks portfolio is right in the middle, and then as you look to the far right, you can see that will get to a more higher risk portfolio. And as for my estimated portfolio dividend yield, it is 3.44% with the estimated to receive $186.27. So my dividends did actually go down a little bit because the new position that I added, I sold out of a position and I added a new position to my portfolio. So let's go ahead and dive into the Robinhood portfolio. Looking at my portfolio value, it is $5,425.15. In today's market, I was down $5.06, which is 0.09%. After hours, I was up $2.92, which is 0.05%. And on the week here, I was up $43.42, which is 0.81%. On the month, I am up $122.03, which is 2.30%. On the 3-month, I am up $374.93, which is 7.42%. So not a bad return on just those 3 months. And as we look at my 1 year, I am up $519.75, which is a 10.60% return. Now, as we all know, the S&P 500, or should I say the stock market on average, increases from 7 to 9%. Now, I don't know if I can maintain this 10% increase. Now, I have been a little fortunate on this end of investing, but I do also think it's a big deal of also researching and knowing what you're invested in as well. So let me know down in the comment section on what you think about my capital appreciation on an all dividend portfolio. Now, as we look at my all time, there's not going to be a big of a difference, but as you can see, it is $515.63, which is 10.50%. So not bad capital appreciation on an all dividend portfolio. Now let's go ahead and take a look at my stocks. So as we scroll down here, starting with Procter & Gamble, as you can see, we go down to my position. I have 2 shares. My total return is $30.66. We go over to Johnson & Johnson. I have 2 shares as well. My average cost $129.56. My total return $28.55. As we look at Coca-Cola, I have 6 shares. My average cost is $52.15. My total return is $13.63. Taking a look at ABM, to my position, I have 5 shares. My average cost is $37.26. My total return, I am just up 7 cents right now. As we scroll over to Altria, taking a look at my position, I have 4 shares. My average cost is $47.76. My total return, I am up $12.27. Now as we look at Leggett & Platt, taking a look at my position, I have 2 shares. My average cost is $37.64, and my total return is $27.42 on just those 2 shares. Now as we look at AT&T, I have 5 shares. My average cost is $31.25. My total return is $36.23. Taking a look at Archer Daniels and Midland, they just hit a 52-week high this week. As we scroll down to my position, I have 4 shares. My average cost is $39.02. My total return is $28.77. Now as we take a look at the last dividend aristocrat in my portfolio, which is Aqua America, as we scroll down to my position, I just have one share. My average cost is $39.86. My total return is $5.92. Scrolling over to UPS, as we look at my position, I have one share. My average cost is $114.69. My total return is $5.60. Taking a look at Starbucks here, I have 3 shares. My average cost is $86.17. My total return is $5.91. Taking a look at Disney here, as we scroll down to my position, I have one share. My average cost is $129.30, and my total return is $18.42 on just that one share for Disney. Taking a look at Sony, now I wish I did add more into Sony when I bought that first share. I've been owning Sony for quite some time, and as we look at my position here, I have one share. My average cost is $47.78. My total return is $19.96 on just that one share, and I'm going to scroll down and show you guys how long I've been owning Sony. May 31st was when I bought that share of Sony. So as you can see, I've been owning this company for quite some time, and I just received my first dividend a few days ago as well, that I will be showing you all for my dividend update at the end of the month. So as we go ahead and scroll back up to my position here, as we take a look at Pfizer and scroll down, I have 10 shares. My average cost is $39.05. My total return, I am down $1.07. Scrolling over to Bank of America, they also hit a 52-week high this week as well. And as I scroll down to my position, I have 8 shares. My average cost is $27.16. My total return is $63 even. So a pretty nice return on Bank of America. And as we look at the next stock, which will be Realty Income, my average cost $68.51 on 2 shares. My total return is $6.44. Now, if it drops under that $70, I will be adding quite a few shares into Realty Income because I am waiting for a decent pullback to add some more shares in. Now, I don't think this is a bad price now, but because of my average cost is around that $68 range, I want to wait for it to dip a little bit under that $70 range if we're lucky. So as we look at the next position will be Main Street Capital. I have 2 shares. My average cost is $40.20. My total return is $6.47. Stag Industrial, which is another monthly stock, as we go down to my position, I have 10 shares. My average cost $29.88. My total return is $4.65. As we scroll over to the next stock, Apple Hospitality REIT, I have 10 shares. My average cost $15.95. I am currently down 14 cents. Now taking a look at one of my favorite holdings in my portfolio. Before I scroll over to the next stock without skipping ahead, can you let me know down in the comment section what is one of my favorite holdings in my Robinhood portfolio? Let me know down in the comment section. Now as we scroll over, if you guessed it, you guessed right, PetMed Express. As we scroll down to my position, I have 10 shares. My average cost is $15.82, and my total return is $72.05. So still my biggest return so far out of all of my holdings. I'm hoping for a decent pullback, but if not, PetMed Express can just keep soaring and keep soaring. But at some point in time, I do want to add some more shares into PetMed Express, but we will see what happens in the future. Now, as we look at HP, I have 7 shares. My average cost is $18.37. My total return is $14.02. And as we go over to the last stock before we get to the 3 ETFs that I hold in my portfolio, the AES Corporation, which is a utility. And as we scroll down to my position, I have 10 shares. My average cost is $16.05, and my total return is $30.05. So now I'm going to show you the new position that I added to my Robinhood portfolio, because if you've been following my investing journey, I know you're probably like, Mike, where's the new positions at? I've already seen these stocks. So I got you right here. As we take a look at the new ETF that I added to my portfolio, it is SPDR Portfolio S&P 500. Growth ETF, ticker symbol SPYG. As we scroll down to the position here, I have 7 shares. My average cost is just $41.40, and I am currently up just 7 cents right now. And as we look at the stats, the 52-week low is $30.31. The 52-week high is $41.53. And as you can see, for the market cap, it is 5.27 billion. So it is now the largest ETF that I hold. And as we look at the dividend yield, it is 1.33%. And this ETF has also outperformed the S&P 500 over the past 5 years. I've had my eye on this ETF. I think it is a lot better investment over the long term, and it is the lowest expense ratio ETF that I have in my portfolio now. And I want to show you the ETF that I sold out of. It is ticker symbol DIV. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in so I can go over and show you my trade. So as we see, Global X SuperDividend US ETF. And as we take a look at the stats, as you can see, the dividend yield is over 7%, so a really high dividend yield. It also paid me monthly, so when I sold out of this ETF, that cut out another monthly payer for me. But I'm also looking at the long term and also how I have my stocks, because I have them stacked staggeredly. So either way, I will be receiving dividends every single month. So I'm also looking at that long term and building that snowball the right way. So as we go down, I want to show you my trade. And as you can see, I was receiving dividends for quite some time from this company. You can see my market buys, and then you can see the dividends started coming in. And as we take a look at the trade here, you can see I sold this a few days ago. I sold all 10 shares for $23.54 per share for a total amount of $235.40. Now, I didn't lose any money on this. I was up about $8 and some change when I sold out of this. So I did make a little capital appreciation when I sold this position. Now let's scroll back over to the portfolio and look at my last 2 ETFs. And as I scroll over, SPHD Power Shares S&P 500. As we look at my position, I have 10 shares. My average cost $42.87. My total return is $6.97. We scroll over to the last position, ticker symbol SPYD. My position is 10 shares. My average cost $37.98, and my total return is $13.02. As I scroll up through my Robinhood portfolio, let me know down in the comment section what holding is your favorite. And then also I want to show you the top 10 holdings and the sectors in SPYG, the new ETF that I added to my portfolio. Let's take a look at it. So as we take a look at the ETF's highest sector percentage, you can see it goes to the technology, the healthcare, and then it goes to communication. Now, I wanted it to be a little bit heavier in the technology and healthcare sector because that's what my portfolio lacks the most. And the technology sector, I believe, is going to be growing for a very long time because technology is the way of the world. So I wanted to show you this is the sector percentage of this ETF. And as we look at the top 10 holdings, you can see Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook. You have both classes of Google, Visa, MasterCard, Verizon, Merck, and then you have Johnson & Johnson. So this ETF is very strong. It is a growth ETF. That is also why the dividend yield is very low. It is paying about 13 to 14 cents every quarter, so that is not bad per share. So let me know down in the comment section what you think about my new addition to my Robinhood portfolio. Hopefully y'all been having a great week, and if you haven't connected with me yet on my social media platforms, you can go ahead and connect with me at Mike the Investor on Twitter and Facebook. Remember to stay inspired, stay motivated, invest in yourself, and I will see you guys back next time.